Alright, you guys, so I have only shampooed my hair. I have not deep conditioned it yet.
One time, spots, baby. Lego!
What's good, my peoples?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, and introducing.
It's your girl Nicole. Welcome. Today we are doing a honey and olive oil pre-poo treatment, okay? So I ain't gonna lie, I do not pre-poo often. I typically only pre-poo before I use a clarifying shampoo. And I only use a clarifying shampoo once a month. The rest of the weeks I use like a moisturizing shampoo. So the reason I use a pre-poo before I clarify is because clarifying your hair pretty much strips your hair from all the oils, the natural oils that your, body or your scalp produces. Helps remove all of the buildup, everything that your hair has been through within the last month or since the last time you actually clarified. And so I don't want my hair to feel brittle and stripped. And I try to go in beforehand to place that moisture into my hair right before I clarify. I know everybody has been there where you wash your hair with a shampoo and you get from under there feeling like your hair is just completely stripped from everything. That's still okay. Like, it's still good. You should be clarifying your hair. Your hair does need to be cleaned. If your hair constantly has buildup and you're not cleaning that off, you're blocking your hair from growing. So you want to make sure that you have a clean scalp. You don't have to do it often. Like I said, I only clarify once a month, so I pre-poo once a month. I'm going to show you what I used to make mine and how I made it, and then you'll see me applying it to my hair. All right, guys, so the first thing you'll need for your pre-poo is going to be organic raw honey. Honey acts as a natural humectant, okay? So this is going to seal the moisture and prevent dryness in your hair and prevent breakage. Next, you will need some type of extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil is going to act as like your deep conditioner. This is going to strengthen your hair as well as strengthen your hair elasticity. I will be putting it in this bottle applicator that I picked up from Sally's, and then you will need a bowl as well. So what you're gonna do is pour equal parts of your honey and your olive oil into this applicator. And so I am going to do 2 ounces of honey and then 2 ounces of the olive oil. So this is what we've got in here. We've got the olive oil and the honey, both equal parts. And then you're gonna fill your bowl up with water and put it in the microwave for about a minute. Now that your water is warm, place it into the warm water. This will help it loosen and make it easier to apply to your hair. All right, hi, hello, we are back, and you see my hair is already parted in 4 sections, okay? The items that you'll need is a rat tail comb, a detangling comb, a water bottle, a towel, and your mixture, okay? So we are gonna go in and start with this section here. So I'm just gonna be wetting the hair, smoothing it down, as you can see. Get the hair nice and wet because you want to make sure that you do not detangle or comb your hair while it is dry. This is very, very, very important, okay? This will reduce the amount of breakage that you have while detangling. I need a little bit more water, so we're going to spray that in there, okay? Smooth the hair down, and then we're going to add in our mixture. So that's pretty much it. You're going to add in your mixture, smooth your hair as you're adding it. Make sure that you get all of the strands, get it fully saturated. Oh, this smells good. That honey smell, you guys, oh my goodness. It made my hair smell so good. I absolutely loved it. But make sure you detangle afterwards. Get it on all of the strands. All right, so I'm going to... Look at that, look at that, look at them curls. All right, so I'm gonna speed this up and stop talking and let you guys watch the rest of the video. so we are done. Okay, so the next step is to pretty much put like a plastic cap or something. Don't laugh at my bag. Okay, I'm gonna just put this on here. You just need it to protect your hair, because I'm about to sit under the hair dryer for about 30 minutes, or you can do to an hour, whatever works for you. You don't have to sit under the hair dryer. You just want to, you know, let that stuff marinate, and sitting under the hair dryer is just best for me. So I'm gonna come back and let you guys know what we have. So I'll see you later.
One nap later.
Alright, you guys, so I have only shampooed my hair. I have not deep conditioned it yet. I just wanted to come in and show you guys the results after just shampooing. My hair is not dry. It's so soft and so shiny already. Like, look at the curls, okay? I haven't detangled yet either, and my comb is just sliding through my hair. So yeah, so I'm about to go deep condition and style my hair, but thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, okay? If you have not subscribed yet, like, what's up? But if you want to see me do more DIYs, please like this and leave a comment on what you think and what your thoughts are. Thanks, guys.
Go down. Ooh,